Hello everybody, today I'm showing you my new RF system from Nedap. Here you can see some different kind of tags we got. You also know this from my last video. So this is the system. There you can see. This is the control unit, and here we got different tags, so I can show you. If you go in, then it's really loud, and here we got this tag. So there. Okay, we got a simple trick. If you got this small tags, I can show you. You just need a little piece of money. Then you can drop that. And now the system isn't running if I look. So now it's working again. Thanks for watching.